qualified ang binili mo.
Please bring your items and passport to the cashier if you wish to shop tax-free. If you are a Japanese citizen residing abroad, please ask our staff for additional requirements.
Grabe nun.
Please note that duty-free items can only be returned or exchanged at the store of purchase.
Parang 7 to lang pinabayaran ko.
Items
14. 500 isa.
Sinabi ko, nandito kami sa may logo, sa may escalator.
Ayan, escalator pa oh.
May family mart. Saan yung family mart?
Ano? May nabili ka? Ang dami nating bag. Ang dami ko ng ganyan, 4 na.